Hey everyone, welcome back to Market Insights Hub. The 2025 crypto crash was a wild ride, wiping out billions across the market, but I'm seeing huge opportunities to buy the dip right now. Today I'm sharing my top 3 cryptos, Solana, Fetch.ai, and Cardano, with my exact price targets to help you trade this recovery like a pro. Bitcoin's climbing back to $84,000, and altcoins are starting to show signs of life. I'm going to walk you through my technical levels, my trading strategy, and why I'm so bullish on these coins. If you're ready to catch this bounce and stack some serious gains, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive into the charts. Stick around to the end for a bonus tip that could supercharge your trades. Let's do this. Before we hit my top picks, let's talk about what's happening in the crypto market, because context is everything when you're making trades. In Q1 2025, we got slammed with a brutal crash. Bitcoin dropped 20% from $109,000 all the way down to $76,000, and altcoins like Solana and Cardano took an even bigger hit, falling 15 to 35%. It was absolute chaos. US-China tariff tensions, whispers of a recession, and a massive $1.5 billion hack on the Bybit exchange had traders running for cover. Over $2.3 billion in leveraged positions got wiped out in liquidations. Talk about a rough time, but here's the exciting part. The market's starting to turn around. Bitcoin's holding steady at $84,000, and we're seeing green candles popping up across altcoins. This is the moment I've been waiting for. A chance to buy top-tier projects at discount prices. My top 3 picks, Solana, Fetch.ai, and Cardano, have the technical setups to lead this recovery. Let's break them down, starting with my absolute favorite. First up is Solana, and let me tell you, this is my top pick for a reason. It's trading at $140 right now, and I'm beyond excited about where it's headed. My important price target was between $63 and $106, and we're already above that range, which shows Solana's got serious strength even after the crash. Now, here's the key level to watch. If Solana breaks $150, I'm calling it, we're entering a new bull run season for altcoins. That's the trigger that could send this coin soaring. But I've got to keep it real. There's an alternative scenario. If the market turns ugly, we could see Solana fall to $60 or even lower. That's the risk, but I'm not worried. I'm buying Solana on spot for long-term hodling and using futures with 1x leverage to keep my risk low. My strategy is simple. I scale in as we rise above important price ranges, stacking my position as Solana proves itself. For the coming altcoin season, my midterm price target is between $515 and $772. That's a massive 262 to 435% gain from today's price. For the long term, I'm eyeing $961 to $1,224, which is a 582 to 745% upside, though that's an approximate target based on how this cycle plays out. Solana's fast, scalable, and a trader favorite. It's a no-brainer for my portfolio. Look at this $150 resistance. Break that, and we're off to the races. Are you buying Solana at $140 like I am? Drop a comment and let me know your plan. Next up is Fetch.ai, trading at 57 cents, and this one's got me pumped because it's one of the most explosive cryptos out there. My price target for FET is between 60 cents and 35 cents. That's the zone I'm watching for a potential bottom if we see more downside. Could it fall lower than that? Yeah, it's possible with a volatile coin like FET, but I'm not sweating it. My indicators are screaming bullish, and I'm confident we're closer to a bounce than a crash. This chart is begging for action, and I'm ready to ride this wave. For the midterm over the next 2 years, I'm targeting $5.90 to $9.30. That's an absolutely insane 889 to 1,458% potential from today's price. Those are the kind of gains that can transform your portfolio. For the long term, 3 to 5 years out, I'm expecting around $12. But we'll need to keep an eye on FET's development and the AI crypto space to confirm that target. FET is a high risk, high reward play, so you've got to trade it smart. Stick to your plan and don't get emotional. Fetch.ai's volatility is what makes it exciting, but it's not for the faint-hearted. Is FET gonna hit $9 in 2 years, or are you waiting for that 0.35 zone? Share your target in the comments. Last but definitely not least is Cardano, trading at around 63 cents. And this is one of my all-time favorite cryptos. It's a cornerstone of my portfolio. I'm hodling Cardano like there's no tomorrow, and I'm buying more every chance I get. My price target for ADA is between 42 cents and 80 cents. That's the range I'm eyeing for potential buys or a bottom. There are two scenarios playing out here. Scenario 1, we've already hit the bottom, and ADA starts climbing with other cryptos as the market recovers. Scenario 2, we could see a lower low, which isn't impossible given how crazy crypto can be. Timing the perfect crypto bottom is nearly impossible, but I pride myself on setting killer buying zones for traders and investors like you. That 42 cents to 80 cents range is where I'm loading up, and I'm super confident in Cardano's long-term potential. For the midterm, within 1 year, I'm targeting $2.27 to $3.36. That's a 252 to 453% upside, which is huge for a project as solid as ADA. Long-term, 3 to 5 years out, I expect $5.18 to $8.24, a massive 732 to 1,207% potential. Cardano's sustainable tech and growing ecosystem make it a long-term winner in my book. This 80-cent level is critical. Break it and we're headed to the stars. Are you hodling 80 like me, or are you waiting for 42 cents? Drop a yes or your strategy in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss my crypto and stock analysis. Drop a comment with your favorite pick, SOL, FET, or ADA, and check out my latest stock video on EG, Apple, Tesla in the description for more market insights. Next week, I'm diving deep into altcoin season secrets, so you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.